Here's how to sign in to Gmail without your password. So if you've forgotten your password, there's a couple options you have. You can actually be able to sign in without even changing your password or finding out what it is, or you can actually sign in, forget password, and then change your password so that you can actually get signed in. But this is the method to get into your Gmail account without your password. So we're on gmail.com. By the way, we'll look at this on desktop and on mobile on your phone. Now, when we go log in, so we're going to log in with an email that we know. So I've got flippyfinapp@gmail.com. We're going to log in with that. And I'm going to say next. Now, when I go to sign in, I don't know my password. So how do I get in without my password? Well, first I'm going to click on forgot password. Now, when I tap on that or click on that, it's going to tell me to check my phone. So if I'm logged in on my phone or a different device, I can actually go check that. Let me see if it pops up here on our phone when we go into Gmail. Yep, it's going to pop up right here. It's going to ask, are you trying to recover your account? Are you trying to get into your account without your password? And it's going to say who that account is, kind of where it's at. So you make sure it's you. If you're doing this right now, you probably know it's you. But if this pops up and you don't recognize it, then don't allow it. But yes, it's me. So I'm going to tap on that. And then when I go back to desktop, magically, I'm into my account without even updating my password or knowing my password. At this point, if you don't know your password, you should probably click on update your password. But if you know it and you just wanted to get in without your password, then you can continue on like that. And it'll go through a security checkup because, hey, you just recovered your account technically. And so it's going to ask you to kind of look at things. You don't have to do that. You can just go to gmail.com now. So if I just go to gmail.com, then it's going to sign me right into my Gmail. And I'm in. I didn't use my password or anything, but I did tap yes to verify it was me through this other either two-factor authentication or my other device that I am logged in on, even though I don't know my password. That happens a lot. You'd be surprised how often that happens. It's probably happening to you right now. I'm logged in on this one spot, but I have no idea what the password is, so that's the only spot I check my Gmail. Well, here's how you can get into your Gmail without your password. And also update that password if you can't remember it so that you can actually remember it from here on. Hopefully this helped you out. Oh, by the way, you can do this on the mobile app as well. So let's go to the Gmail app. So same thing. Let's say I was signed out. So we're going to try to manage accounts on this device. And we're actually going to remove this account from this device. So I'm not even signed in at all, not on this device at all. So I tap on sign in, add another account. We go to Gmail or Google account, and it goes through the login process. Now I'm going to choose the account I want to sign in from here, or you would enter in your email. And then you're going to enter in your password here or tap on forgot password. Now, when we do that, I'm actually logged in on a different phone. So even if you're on this phone logging in and you have another phone that was logged in, it's going to allow you to do that. Now you can resend that or you can tap try another way. If you tap on try another way, it's going to say, oh, hey, you had an email verification was sent to your recovery email address. So actually there's another email address. If you have a recovery email, you can keep tapping on try a different way if there are different ways. So you can't access a device or you can't access that recovery email. There might be more and more ways. It's going to send you a text. It's going to verify through your Authenticator app. I mean, there's a lot of different ways that you can get in without your password, but this is another way that we can do it. I'd have to go to that email really quick and enter in the code, but you saw on desktop how we did it. It would be the same thing here. We tap on next. It may take you to the security stuff, but it'll log you into your Gmail without your password. I highly recommend updating that password if you've forgotten it. And that's how you can get into Gmail without your password. Hopefully this helped you out. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you want to. Leave a comment. That's even better. Let me know what your old password was and how bad it was. Was it password 123? We got to change that. I'll see you guys in the next one.